Today we're going to take a look at a grain bin setup. This is the Ray Johnson farm outside of Cragness, Minnesota. And what he has is 4 grain bins with 2 30-horse fans on each grain bin. And he only has single-phase power here. And these are all of the fans that he is operating here on his system. Then what he has here is he has a Quonset shed that's right next to these grain bins. And so he just moved all of his control systems inside of the Quonset here and built a room for him. So he's using variable frequency drives to change single phase into 3-phase. And they're operating every single motor out there individually. So he has his incoming power coming into the circuit breaker panel. This is his line reactor panels. Power comes in, one line in, one line out on each pole like that. The middle pole is not used. And then that feeds single phase into each individual drive. And it's one line reactor per drive. Then he just has a simple control box and is able to operate each drive, each motor, each fan. And it's a high speed, which is drying, and a low speed, which is aerating. And then what he is doing with one of those fan motors out there is he's using one of these variable frequency drives that is converting it from single phase 230 volt to 3-phase 230 volt. And he's using what's called a variable output switch, where in channel 1 the 3-phase comes out of the drive, goes into this switch, and then goes straight to the fan. And in channel 2 he's able to operate his auger on the bin that it has a 3-phase motor on it, and it's able to operate off of the same variable frequency drive. So 3-phase comes out of the VFD, goes into the switch, channel 1 to the fan, channel 2 to the auger. He also has the availability to operate a different motor with a plug if he wanted to on channel 2. So he has a real nice setup out here. Power is coming from the circuit breaker and fed by a conduit trough out to each individual VFD, and then down out to each individual fan. Now he has, for 2 bins here, there's 4 VFDs on this side. And then for the other 2 bins, he has the 4 VFDs on this side.